This 2027 Jayco Precept Prestige 36B is a Class A RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bath and a half, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2027 Jayco Precept Prestige 36B is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.